Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project Streetlight with sensors. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the positive of the LDR, then its negative to the ground, then its positive to the switch, then the switch to the positive of the LED, then negative of the LED to the ground. And before making the connections fully, I will turn the laser on towards the LDR. Now let's do it. Okay, so as soon as the beam breaks and the switch is turned on, the light is supposed to glow. Right now the switch is turned off, so it won't glow. Let's see. On breaking the beam, it doesn't glow. Now let's turn the switch on. Now let's try. So, if I turn it off, again it will stop working. And this is how it works.